Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Band 8 and I'm gonna show you how to use this smartband to control the music on your phone. Before we start, if you want to use your smartband to control the music on your phone, the band needs to be paired with your phone via the Huawei Health application. Once the devices are paired together, we need to also make sure that the notification access is enabled for the Huawei Health application on your phone. To do it, open the settings on your phone. In settings, you can go to notifications and notification access, or if you can't find it, tap on search and type in notification access. And it should show you a notification access right here on the list. You can tap on it and it will redirect you. Once you find the notification access, tap on it to open this menu. And in this menu, you have two lists. You have allowed and not allowed. And the Huawei Health application needs to be on the allowed list. If it's not, tap on it, tap on the switch next to allow notification access. Let me quickly turn it off to show it. So basically tap on the switch, tap on allow, and once the switch flicks on, you can go back, make sure that it's on the allowed list, and once it is, close the settings, and now we can open some kind of a music player on our phone. For example, you can use Spotify, Tidal, or YouTube Music, or whatever. I'm gonna open the YouTube app, tap on search, type in something like NCS, like this, and let's start playing this. Okay, there's an ad. Let's wait and skip it now. Okay, so the music is playing already. Now we can go to our watch or other smartband, wake up the screen, swipe right on the home screen, and here we can tap on the music to open the music control menu. And right here we can do a couple of things. We can tap on the play to play or pause the music. We can tap on the speaker icons right here to increase or decrease the volume. We can tap on the next song to go to the next song. We can tap on the previous button to go to the previous song. And once you're done controlling the music, you can press the home button to go back to watch face. You can also open the music controls menu by pressing the side button on the home screen, scrolling down, finding the music icon, and once you find the music icon, you can tap on it to open the music controls. Okay, and that's how you control the music on your phone with this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.